Welcome back to movementprofessional.com. So today we're going to go over a towel hang and a towel pull-up to work on enhancing our overall grip strength. And the major theme of this exercise is really to get us to use more of our hand with our grip, specifically the pinky side or the ulnar side of the grip. Because the thumb is such a robust digit, our grip will tend to be dominated by that thumb side of the hand. So if we just think about like grabbing something really quickly, we're usually going to go more to the thumb side of the hand, and you can see like the musculature on the thumb side of the hand, this thenar eminence here tends to be bigger. It's this pinky side though for higher level skill tasks for the upper body that we need to actually learn to develop. And you see this in research is those that are doing hard things with their upper body tend to have a lot more activation on this ulnar side of the hand. So we want to do some exercise to teach that. And it's not easy, so we'll go through like a progression of how we can think about doing this. A towel is a good way to do this, hanging from a barbell. So before we can think about doing any pull-ups or anything like that, we just need to be able to grip the towel and then add some challenge. So when I grip the towel, I just really want to own all of the towel. I want to feel like I'm using the pinky side of my hand and the thumb side of my hand, and I'm just getting as much grip throughout my whole hand as possible. Then the first thing I'm going to do is just allow myself to hang, but I'm going to keep my feet on the ground. And I just want to feel the challenge going into the hands. Because if I make this too hard too soon, a lot of times, well, I'm just going to turn and I'm going to slip. I'm going to feel like my hand is slipping. So I want to start with just making sure I can get the grip. And when I create the grip, I squeeze with my whole hand. And I'm also going to create the sense of pulling down on the towel. So I'm pulling down, taking the slack out of it, and creating a little bit of a torque, like I'm screwing my shoulders into the socket. Then I let myself hang, try not to let the grip slip. Then I can pick my feet up and try to fight against the turn. Because of the way the towel is that I have one side in the front, one side in the back of the bar, it will make me turn in one direction or the other. I can try to fight against that. But the key here is create the grip, take the slack out of the bar, create the torque. And just going even on my tiptoes here, I feel a lot of grip challenge, so I could build that up over time. And then I could try to lift my feet, fight against the turn there. I could also face in the different direction here, so you see my profile. And now I'm not going to get as much of a turn with the towel, so create the torque and pull. Now I just got to fight for not going forward. This is a lot easier to hang here without fighting against the turn of the towel being on the bar. So that's the hang. Now the pull-up then becomes just an extension of that. So I must get the grip first. I take the slack out of the towel first. I create the torque. And then I'm just going to pull myself up, fight against the turn, come back down. If I can do more than one, that's great. You shake it out. Make it about the grip, not about how many pull-ups you're doing. So my suggestion is to do it one at a time. So every time you come back down, you regrip, and the setup is the first rep. So I want to get this big open hand that gets all the towel I can, pull down on it, really engage, do my pull-up, keep the grip as long as I can on the way down, and then I'm going to reset and do it again. Hopefully that's useful. It's a great exercise to build that hand strength throughout, not just the thumb side, but also the pinky side. And it is challenging. So when you add these grip challenges to a pull-up, to a deadlift, you get a lot more out of each rep. And really it does, in my opinion, it carries over to more things with your upper body, because you see time and time again, as you ask for more upper body challenge for harder things, you just need more of your hand, which then usually asks for more of your upper body as a whole. The ulnar side of the hand has different innervations than the thumb side of the hand, and those innervations go up the whole upper extremity. So you're basically just using more muscles in your upper extremity by getting more of your hand involved. I'll see you next time.